Hi, hope everybody's doing well. As we embark on our adventure of online PE, I'm just going to walk you through some of our goals and expectations and what you want to be looking at on a regular basis. So I'm just going to go through our slides here and welcome to our online PE course. What we have next is you're going to be doing 2 activities per week on either Monday or Wednesday or Tuesday or Thursday, depending on what period you have PE. You're going to have 2 activities per week. You'll do 1 reflection assignment, which is 2 questions for each activity. And if you'll have 2 reflections per week. Each reflection is worth 20 points. So it's basically answering questions about your activity. The rubric is already on Google Classroom, and I'll explain that when we get to that. And our objective for each of you is to take responsibility to complete your exercises. It'll help you increase or maintain your overall fitness and health, and your reflection will show us your participation and understanding of our activity units. Each week, again, like I said, Monday or Wednesday, depending on if you have periods 1, 3, 5, or 7 is what your activity will be, or if it's Tuesday, Thursday, you'll be having if you are periods 2, 4, or 6. You're going to watch the activity. There might be an activity video that goes with it. You're going to perform the activity and then answer 2 questions that day. Our grading rubric for 1 question, 0 points to 10 points, depending on how much you discuss your activity and what you've done. You can check the rubric from there. So what we're going to be doing this first week is we're just going to try to get some information out to you. We want to see what activities you've been doing. Next week we'll focus on cardio until the 16th of April. And then we'll go into muscular strength for 2 weeks, get into some muscular endurance activities, and end our school year with flexibility. What the week looks like, again, Mondays, periods 1, 3, 5, and 7. Tuesdays, periods 2, 4, 6, and 8. Wednesdays, 1, 3, 5, and 7. And Thursdays, 2, 4, 6, and 8. It does not matter what time you do the activity as long as you complete it in that day. So it doesn't mean if you have period 1 PE, you can do it either at 10 a.m. to 10:45, or you can do it anytime during that day as long as you get it done within that day. Also want to bring to your attention the reflection notes. Reflection does not have to be perfectly aligned with the rubric, but we want you to answer questions about your activity. We're more concerned with making sure that you're able to connect this first week and you're starting to do your activities. Hopefully you've been active, and from there, each week I will give you a brand new intro PowerPoint talking a little bit of our activities for that week and go from there. This is my first screencastify. Hopefully it went well. If you have any questions, you can definitely email me or contact me at any time. Hope you guys are staying active and miss seeing your face, and we will see you and talk to you more next week. Thanks.